Welcome to Life 360. Top 10 fascinating questions people ask ChatGPT. Hello everyone. Today in this video, we're diving into the incredible world of ChatGPT and exploring the top 10 most captivating questions people have asked this amazing language model. From the thought-provoking to the humorous, let's get started. Number 1. Can ChatGPT solve complex math problems and equations? Prepare to be amazed. People were curious to see if ChatGPT's incredible brainpower could handle complex math. Stay tuned to discover its mathematical prowess. Number 2. What is the meaning of life, according to ChatGPT? Existential queries always spark our curiosity. Let's uncover the profound insights ChatGPT has to offer on the age-old question of life's true meaning. Number 3. Does ChatGPT has a favorite movie or book? We all love a good movie or book recommendation, and ChatGPT is no exception. Discover its literary and cinematic preferences in this intriguing segment. Number 4. Can ChatGPT predict the future? The concept of fortune-telling has fascinated humanity for centuries. Unravel the mysteries of future prediction as ChatGPT provides its unique perspective on this enigmatic topic. Number 5. Can you tell us a joke? Laughter is the best medicine, and we can't resist asking ChatGPT for a good chuckle. Brace yourself for some witty one-liners and humorous punchlines. Number 6. What are ChatGPT's thoughts on human emotions? Understanding emotions is an essential aspect of being human. Explore the AI's take on emotions and how it perceives this fundamental aspect of our existence. Number 7. Does ChatGPT has a favorite superhero? Superheroes captivate our imaginations, and it seems ChatGPT is no exception to this excitement. Find out which hero tops the AI's list. Number 8. Can ChatGPT create a piece of art or compose a song? Artistic expression is a beautiful aspect of humanity. Discover the creative talents of ChatGPT as it attempts to create a masterpiece right before our eyes. Number 9. How does ChatGPT handle controversial or sensitive topics? Addressing controversial subjects requires careful consideration. Join us as we explore how ChatGPT navigates the delicate balance between free speech and responsible AI use. And number 10 is: what is the future of AI, according to ChatGPT? As we conclude our journey, we turn our gaze towards the future. Hear ChatGPT's predictions and visions for the ever-evolving world of artificial intelligence. In conclusion, the top 10 most captivating questions people have asked ChatGPT. From solving math problems to contemplating life's meaning, this AI never ceases to amaze. If you found these questions as fascinating as we did, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more intriguing content. Until next time, stay curious. Thanks for watching Life 360.